Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and deliver checkmate in 2 moves. So it's mate in 2 basically. You have to deliver checkmate in just 2 moves. That is the problem, the challenge of this puzzle. So the thing is, the black queen is pinned and the white queen is pinned as well. So with that in mind, go ahead, pause the video and try to find the checkmate in just 2 moves. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. Here you may just probably take the queen, but that doesn't do anything. It's going to be just a draw at the end, right? This doesn't even give you the win. And the other thing is, you may just try to capture with a bishop, right? Thinking this kind of checkmate. But that doesn't happen because the rook would just simply capture that and pin your queen. And this is once again a draw. So this move doesn't work, right? We can't make a move with a queen, otherwise that is not going to be correct because of the pin. So the rook and the queen has created a battery. So whenever the queen moves, it automatically be a pin. It's going to be still a pin for the king. So the correct move is not to move the bishop, not to move the queen, it is to move the king. And the correct way to move the king is to move the king to h1. So this creates a this is going to be very brilliant because the queen is pinned, right? The queen can't move. So if the queen just captures the bishop, we are going to play queen to h6, and that is going to be just checkmate. The king can't skip, right? So the other thing is if the rook moves, right? So how do you checkmate this? We are going to just capture the queen and deliver the checkmate. So in this position, after we move to king to h1, it doesn't matter where the queen moves. The queen can move this way, but we are going to the queen can move this way, but we are not going to capture the queen. We just simply play queen to h6, and that is just checkmate. So that is what we are going to do. So only king to h1 is going to that is the only way to win this in 2 moves. So the other moves, if we just play to the f file, the rook would just give us a check. It doesn't matter where we play. We can play to f2 to f1 as well, but the rook would give us check. And when we just move, black would just capture the queen, and black would just capture the bishop, and the queen can't deliver checkmate now because the rook has already moved, and this is not winning, right? So that is the idea. And if the king moves to the third rank, the queen will just capture the bishop, and this is once again not good for us. So we can't move to the third rank, we can't move to the f file, and the other move is to play king to h2 and king to g1. So why don't this move work? Well, in this position, these moves don't work because the challenge is to deliver checkmate in 2 moves. So the black queen will play to e5, and it's a check, which means we have to capture the queen, right? So this is not checkmate, right? Black can block with a rook, and this is checkmate in 3, right? So king to king to h2 and king to g1 don't work for this reason. So guys, this is the solution and all variation of the mate in 2. If you found this entertaining, make sure to like the video. I will see you next time. Bye.